ladies and gentlemen. I am Novita Sari, Manager Marketing of Unilever. Today I would like present about flowers, a time and the height has achievement. One, the recession of the Russian economy amid the of coronavirus pandemic. Currently, the world is facing various problems on of which is the COVID-19 outbreak, which is attacking humans all over the world. All countries are trying to fight against the spread of the virus, one of which is Russia. Russia is a country located in the Eastern European region and has an economic system that can be said to be good. However, at this time economic conditions are worsening due to the increasingly rapid spread of COVID-19 and causing the death of both humans and the economy of a country, which is this paper aims to find out how the Russian state's economy recession in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, which is currently still happening and cannot be stopped, and how the government's actions are in response to the economy, which is getting worse amid the COVID-19 pandemic. 2. Economy reaction in the country of Malaysia during the coronavirus pandemic. This is due to the social policies or government control orders. During April and May 2020, only the agricultural sector has experienced an increase in production. The sharp decline in economic growth the quarter was due to the 3 phases of MCO and the conditional control in place to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in Malaysia. BOSM Director Datuk Seri Hussein Mahidin told a virtual BNM joint presentation. 3. Economic reaction in the country of Indonesia during the coronavirus pandemic. Likewise, with Singapore, the original economic growth in the fourth quarter of 2019 was 8%. However, in the I quarter, it fell to 2,3%. The economic growth of Uncle Sam's country in the fourth quarter of 2019 was 2,3%. Then in the first quarter of 2020, it fell to 0,3%. South Korea also experienced a decline in economic growth in the fourth quarter of 2019. Economic growth was recorded at 2,3%. Then it fell to 1,3% in the first quarter of 2020. From this data, it can be concluded that Indonesia is one of the countries with the highest economic growth in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is because the economy growth in the first quarter, when compared to other countries, the figure is 2,97%. Thanks good, it is much better than countries that are negative or positive, which are lower. Are there any questions? That's enough from my presentation. If there is a word wrong, please forgive. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.